Fucking self-revive kit, man.
Hell yeah, man.
Killing a zombie.
Obstruction marked.
Where did all your points go?
Assist me.
Wait, what? How did you?
What?
You just teleported there.
What happened?
No.
Satellite malfunction?
I was right behind you the whole time.
Fuck me. They went through the portal. We should run some diagnostics.
I don't fucking
when they
believe
get
you.
back to HQ.
What do we now? Oh, we wait for the big boss, don't we? Bossy boss. Mr.
Yeah.
Bossy Pants.
Strike team. The Geiger counter's gone crazy. Don't know what's over there, but it's big and headed your way. Good work, strike team. You can't leave the job half done.
To the morgue with you.
There it is, man. Key card. Oh!
Down you go, all of you. Need an assist.
Shit, man. We need to get the machine thingy. This is going purely off memory, by the way. I'm quite impressed with how much I've remembered so far.
Yeah, me too, man.
DIE signal used.
Can you unlock this door for me?
So, why are you so poor, man? Shit. I got myself. Okay, you got me. It's all good.
You're patched up.
Thanks, man.
Is it
No,
activated?
I don't know how I did that.
Is it
Yeah. Bring him in. Bring him in.
Nope.
Shit. Do you want it?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Don't take all the scrap and then take the wonder weapon, you fucking greedy cunt.
Well, it was in the way, mate. It was in the way.
This weapon.
Alright, here, man. Here.
Oh, cool.
Oh my god! Trampoline! Alright, we've got all 3 parts, man. And I got the
Nice.
fuse as well.
Our strike team found part of a device. Any idea what it is?
Build it here.
It's our lucky day, strike team.
End station 19th of March 1944. End station
Right, so after this, we wait until we get taken out the Dark Ether. Then go back to the computer and put the password in. Password in the computer.
Exfil window
Ass.
available.
I'm gonna try and get myself a wonder weapon as well, mate.
Mate, I see you are close to there.
Fine, I'll get myself up.
Sure.
Unless you can get me. But can't. Oh, shit. I'm too busy sucking the megaton.
You'll feel better in a mo.
Don't want that. Box here, you shoot off. I'll do it. I don't know where you were. But I was scared. You pick the flask up, then take it underneath this tree.
There's no flask in there.
I just picked it up because you were taking so long.
Okay.
Once we get a megaton, we need to lure it over to this tree and get it to shoot this tree over here.
Oh, do you want a ray gun?
Have eyes on mystery box.
I haven't got mule kick.
Well, this tree, yeah?
Hell is coming off that
Yeah,
tree.
he shot the tree, man.
Looks like it could freeze the balls off a bloodhound.
Right, now hold X underneath the tree and place a flash.
What?
Place a flask underneath the tree.
Placement flask. I think I did.
And then you need to let it drop and just wait until it fills up.
I got it.
You gotta stand right underneath it. No, come here. Stand right underneath it and shoot it until it goes up. The fucking node, you dick.
What?
Shoot this, the node.
I am shooting that. Does it not look like I'm shooting that? Yeah, this one. It's this one, you dickhead.
Setting rally.
Yeah, I told you it's one of them. Right, come over here, man. I need to suck this canister off over there, look. And then once you've given it a good suck, mate, you need to pick the canister up. I'll pick it up. We need to go underneath the... Come mate.
Yeah, coming.
I don't know what's going on, man. Need to put the canister in this.
It has been installed.
And now we need to kill dogs near it. And then it will fill up with dog gas.
I'm starting to warm up.
So you collected hound gas. Well done. Something that potent could be enough to kill some local people.
Right, I'm dying. I've picked up the canister. We need to go to the crash site, man. Go to the crash site, man. And then hold X on this box over here. Then shoot it. And then when the overgrowth, and then that's the Nova 6 one, and they need to go and shoot the green node on the machine.
Anything like its sister Nova 6, make sure to
Why are there so many megatons? Oh my god, Trampoline!
I shot it.
I'm going to go and send us into the dark ether. Remember, you have to have shot one of your things so you can actually suck.
Yeah, I've sucked one.
The box is over here.
What, where?
Hang on. Marked it, man. Here, I marked it. It's behind you.
Oh, I see. I don't think it worked.
Like that. No, you're not doing it, mate. You've obviously not done it. No, it did work. It worked.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it worked somehow. I don't know. But it's full of all the things are eliminated, man. Right, now go and shoot off bang. Go and shoot off bang. The yellow one, which is that one there.
Yep, placed.
Right, it's done. Now we need to go.
Whoa.
Go back up to the pond, man.
I will fucking try. Oh, yep.
Is it swapped?
Yeah, it's swapped.
Tears. I have bad news.
It's up.
Oh.
Medical assistance now.
Oh my god, mate, I heard some like thudding footsteps. Where are you?
I think by Pack-a-Punch, man.
Fuck.
Come on, come on, come on!
Oh!
I got myself
Ah.
one. I'm gonna instantly
You
go
died,
get some
man.
perks.
Yep. Fair shout, mate.
Wait, thermospastic sucks.
That's why I call it the thermospastic, man. Hard to get critical kills when every one of your fucking bullets lands a fucking...
Can you get yourself or?
Yeah, got myself.
Fuck!
I'm hurt.
Come on, man. Can you get yourself or do you need me to get you?
Got myself, man.
Do you need to get you?
Yeah.
No time to rest.
The only perk I've got is quick revive. Speed curl, I mean.
I just need... Jack, mate, what the fuck?
Shit, mate, I forgot that I haven't got jug or armor, so it literally takes 2 hits and I'm done.
Shake it off.
Thanks, man. I've now got 0 perks.
Mate,
What? Mate, I've got no perks, got no armor, I've got no money. I'm fucked.
Confirming.
So we need to go and get the Dark Ether wrench and fix the tank. That was close.
I saw that, man.
That was very close.
What was the point of that?
We need to get, because we need to get the ethereal wrench, which is here.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, Manti, help! Manti, back! Record that. There's one more thing we need to fix. There is. We need to kill him.
Multiple down by Semtex.
Kill who?
Oh, I'm fucking dead.
Jack.
On your feet. Don't dilly-dally.
Sorry, mate. I'm actually trying to do the fucking mission. Where are you?
Oh yeah, good throw.
He's yeah. He's actually hit the tank, man.
Semtex
Cheers,
armed.
man. I'm gonna go buy some more Semtexes.
That's the last zombie there, man.
I think it broke. Fuck.
Why would you do that? Ah!
There's some armor right next to you, man. Go get it.
Feeling better.
Yeah, I'm fucking out of money. What's going on with me tonight, man?
Why did you not get the bomb?
If I fucking saw the bomb, mate, I would have got the fucking bomb.
What are we doing?
Suspect, strike team.
We need to take a megaton in there and split him, and then take both of his parts and put them in that container.
Sounds
Oh,
fun,
by the
man.
way, you know I'm going down, don't you? I've got 3 perks, mate. I'm obviously going to die.
Mate.
Good effect on
Yep.
target.
Do you want to wait outside for a Megaton and lure him in here instead of being trapped in a small
That
building?
sounds like fucking a good plan, mate.
No Smegmaton. I've got a Megaton.
PhD is fucking... Whoa! Nice.
So
Right, let's try and keep him alive and clear all the zombies until there's one zombie left, because the megaton is really hard to do when there's fucking hordes of zombies down there.
I've got 2 Megatons, mate.
Yeah, kill one megaton.
Can we not try both of them?
No, because last time we split 2, killed one half of each, and then there were like 2 separate half megatons in there, and it fucked up the game. Do you remember?
No.
Well, I'm nothing if not efficient.
Oh my god, are you alright?
Yeah, I PhD slid into a horde of zombies and
Not a PhD slide quickly. No way.
mate, I'm taking the Megaton in. Let's do it, man. He's on like the tiniest amount of health. No way.
Right, that wasn't in the round anyway.
Mate, I'm taking the Megaton to the thing. Come with me.
Yeah, bear with me. I'm on the other side of the map to you, remember? Give me a fucking chance.
I'll just
Right,
give you
mate.
some armor really quickly.
You're not even there. Oh, fuck's sake.
I went the wrong way. Come on, man. I was just here, man.
Shit.
Confirming.
Nice. Oh, is it split?
Yeah, it's split. Nice slide, man.
Cheers, man. It literally got me stuck. Fine.
I've got 3,500 scrap, right?
Is that it?
What do you mean? That's a lot.
Oh, I've got 7,700, mate.
Well, guess what, mate? I'm doing this. No. Fuck. Cool. Almost
I'm
died.
doing this. It goes down. Yeah.
Smoked.
Mate, your chopper gunner has ammo mods.
That's
Oh my god.
kill.
It's fun, isn't it?
Mate, this is like... Oh. That filled me with joy. Oh shit! No way! I called in my chopper gunner, and the airspace wasn't clear apparently. Thought I'd be cocky. It was my fault. I'll take ownership of that. Turn over to the crash site. No!
Feeling
No, I'm so pissed off. That was the most bullshit. I'm recording that.
I'm gonna try not to hit the megatons.
Sorry.
Can you mark a megaton?
Another zombie KIA. Target deleted.
I'll avoid him.
Why? Yeah, mate. Because out of both of us who needed the fucking chopper gunner, it was you, wasn't it?
Well, yeah.
Fuck's sake.
For a rainy day.
Nice one, mate. Thank you. I'll just fucking bleed out.
Come in. Almost fucking died, man.
Huh?
This be a warning to the rest of you.
Mate, come down to the medical bay. I've got Megaton in here. But I've got no health, so be greatly appreciated.
On my way. Hold on, mate.
Right, we'll split him.
Oh, nice.
I'm definitely gonna die. What? How did I even die? There's nothing around me.
Mate, just gonna say.
Semtex out.
Are they both in there? Right, yes, right. Go to the computer. Lock it down.
Jack,
Lock it
I'm
down.
dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm normally not quite so rude.
Hey, man. Mate, come on! What the fuck are you doing?
What? I'm in the computer bay with you.
You patched up.
Cheers, man.
That was a close one.
Did this start the mission?
Yeah, I fucking pressed the machine. I'm fucked,
Well-
mate. I hope you realise that.
I've got no perks.
Nor why. You at least you've got money to buy them, you dick.
Warning. Subject has broken.
Damn creature's flown the coop.
This isn't over. Get after him, now.
Claiming this weapon.
Wait, why are the megatons running away from me?
I frenzied guarded.
Using death machine.
What happened?
On your feet.
What happened,
Don't
man?
dilly-dally.
I would usually be so mad, but that is completely my fault.
Hey, what happened, man? Record that shit.
Mate, I recorded it. That was the funniest funniest shit in the world. Mate, I actually shit my pants. Both of them just turned around and beat the shit out of me.
Well, we're doing just killing them.
I guess so. I think we need to. There should be a. Really? Recording that as well. All of the things I'm going to send you, mate, are going to be just me going down.
I do this without even breaking a sweat.
So there should be. Oh yeah, teleport here, man.
Oh, oh, Jack! What the fuck? What are we doing now?
That's a kill.
Finding a picture of him. Should be next to the front door, man.
It is my duty. When it is reactivated, what will happen? That information is considered very much above my rank, but consider.
Oh my god! You see that fucking Megaton, mate? What the
What are we doing? Where are we going? Jack, where even are you? Where are you?
Mate, you literally left me to fucking die, mate.
Oh,
Wait, what?
you I'd never leave a man behind.
You literally left me behind, mate.
They made me turn on this machine of the damned. It caused horrible things. I caused horrible things. Omega Group, they have big plans. You are here to stop them. I will help you. We will shut off this infernal machine. Close the gateway. It will be the first step. I will repair the damage I have done.
Box off immediately.
Good thinking.
Okay.
This thing
Oh,
can
we're protecting him.
deactivate the machine.
Deactivate the accelerator's priority 1, strike team. If that thing can't do it, buy it the time it needs.
Oh, I've got no money left in my Jolt juice. Jolt surge juice.
Starting up death machine.
Jack, need a little bit of help here.
I hope. Where are you?
How many fucking
I'm focusing on
megatons?
just.
Oh shit.
Focusing on not dying at the moment.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh my god, trampoline!
You don't have self-revive, do you?
No, nothing, mate.
You got your collapse.
Oh shit. Got you, man.
No time to
Thanks,
rest.
man.
Where is he? Oh, he's down there now.
I'm saving my bullets for a rainy day.
Mate, so many megatons, man.
Semtex out.
Oh my god! Mate, fuck's sake. Like 50 megatons that way, mate. Look at that way.
Yeah, no, I'm fighting.
Yeah, it's right for you. You can fight them. You've got the capacity. I've got no perks.
Semtex. Semtex on.
Yeah, I've just frenzied guarded, so it should be a bit easier for you.
Cheers, man. Appreciate.
It is finished. You must go.
Oh, man, let's go upstairs. Run.
After you.
Remember, don't stand on.
Excuse me?
This way.
That's all I need to hear.
Oh my god!
What? Ooh. Ah!
Raptor 1 at the LZ, Requiem Admiral.
Semtex out.
This is the most tranny of planes. Oh shit.
Got you.
Semtex just keeps
Let's go.
Shit.
Raptor 1 on the ground, Requiem.
Let's go.
We gotta go. Let's move it. This is Raptor 1. Strike team on board for extraction.
GG, man. Well done.
You know, and that was all me as well.
Site just went nuclear.
Yeah, man. We're 23 downs.
Good work, strike team. We've closed the breach. but I got a feeling Omega
More
Crew
kills.
is
How many
just
critical
getting
kills? Fucking hell, mate. Contribute much.
23 downs.
45 critical kills.
23 downs. My game settings have changed.